So the real value to me was not only hearing from some of the other leaders, but the level of the leaders that were here in attendance. So they were decision makers. I didn't have to go through a bunch of business development individuals, but we're talking with owners, presidents, vice presidents, decision makers, so that we could talk about real business, real connections, and real ability to do business in the future. Particularly the one-on-one conversations and the ability to have those deeper conversations around business we would like to do, to suss out whether we've got some good relationships that we can continue as a supplier-customer relationship. It's a very short time. You only get 30 minutes. So really, I think you need to prepare, understand who you're talking to before you walk in the room, understand where those connection points are so you can talk around real things, tangible things, versus just a meet and greet. A meet and greet, you walk away with nothing. But if you come prepared and you have that information, you can walk with a potential deal.